Well, hey guys, I'm back here on the mic, and we are doing a tier list. What is this tier? This is Hot Furry Babes tier list. So I thought this would be fun to do. So let's get right into the Hot Furry Babes. Let's take a look and see what we got. All right. So Absol, we're gonna start off real simple, going in a B. B tier. I know. I know. Amy, on the other hand, is getting an S tier, my boy. S tier. Most definitely. Anka, on the other hand, is only getting an A tier. I know. I know. But it is purely on the basis of the fact that she seems like she's kind of a bitch. At least if certain media is to be believed. So, moving on, Arcanine, or Arcane, Ar I swear to God, I do not play Pokemon enough to remember names. Arcanine, I don't know. C tier, C tier. Blaze, eh, not the hottest. I will put B tier. Blaziken, on the other hand, is getting an A tier. Same for Braxian. Candy Kong, okay, okay. This is the one that separates the men from the boys, guys. I'm gonna say B tier. Now, Coco, on the other hand, I think we can all agree that Coco is based and will be receiving an S tier. Dixie Kong, on the other hand, will be getting an A tier. Let's just skip over the Pokemon. Let's just go to Isabel. Um, Isabel is, of course, or S tier. S tier, easy every time. Judy Hopps, guys, I think you know how much I like Zootopia, so she's going to the very toppest of the top of S tier, all the way to the front. Crystal is following right behind her because, of course, Lopunny is, of course, getting right in behind Crystal for obvious reasons, with Lucario following close second. Not putting Pikachu in there. Rarity, of course. She's going high A. Just yeah, just past Enka. Yeah. Of course, Renamon is gonna have to go right past Lopunny. Rogue is, of course, going to be right behind Rarity because she is kind of not cash money at times. Now we see Tana. Hmm. Y'all are gonna get mad at me for this, but she's beating out Crystal. She's beating out Crystal. And Toriel is definitely beating out Crystal for other obvious reasons. And Vaporeon will, of course, have to be added and will be receiving a high A tier to surpass Anka. And that is the final list, guys. Um, my reasoning for not ranking all of the Pokemon and Vanilla and Salazzle a few others. I'll admit I don't know all of these Pokemon. I mean, I can tell you about Glaceon, Sylveon, and uh, Umbreon and Vaporeon, but it'll get a little weird, so we're not going to get weird. But that's the final list, guys. Tell me what you think in the comments. What would you do differently? And we'll see you all in the very near future.